All right, today we're making a work desk for my son, and we're making out of mahogany here and a bit of oak. And we've cut the tabletop pieces here and the legs, and we're gonna biscuit join them. So we'll show you how to do that and the rest of the desk process. Okay, so we've got the Freud biscuit joiner. Okay, we've done the one board with the biscuits, okay? And I like to have them a little closer to the bottom. This is the top side here. And we're gonna get Caleb to do that next board. So get that next board, Caleb. Okay. All right, so grab the joiner, biscuit joiner. You lined up? Okay, push it through. Next one. We're gluing up the boards to join the tabletop. So we're gonna get a bead of glue out, and then we're gonna spread it out with that chunk of foam there. Yeah, it's middle of September. It's starting to get chilly in the mornings. No snow yet. So we'll get this glued up and set it aside, and then we'll start building the skirt and the legs and all that for this desk. And then what you can do, Caleb, is take a scrap piece of this wood and figure out what kind of stain you want, okay? Biscuits. Out of the box there, yeah. Don't put them on the lumber, please. It'll stain it. Keep going. You're getting your coat in that glue. Tighten it up until you see that joint disappear. That joint, that line in the joint, okay? Now you don't want to overdo, Caleb. There's a thing called overdoing your clamps. And that what do you think that would do?
Dent the wood.
Well, yeah, it'll dent your wood. Plus, it'll squeeze absolutely every bit of glue out of the joint. So you got to find the right amount of pressure, and then stop. So grab that last clamp, and we'll put it right in the middle. Okay. So we just built the skirt to go around the underside of the desk, and Caleb's just getting rid of all the sharp edges and splinters. All right, we got the skirt all tacked in. Now we're screwing it off. We tacked it in, got it all square, glued it all up. Now we're using these 3-inch screws to get into the skirt and the tabletop, just right. And then next we're gonna work on the legs and the leg support. Okay, we got the skirt glued and screwed to the tabletop. And we got the legs. We biscuited the legs, glued and biscuited the legs together. Okay. And we screwed those in. Lots of glue and varying lengths of screws. Some are in diagonally, like that dark brown screw. It's in at an angle. And then on the back, we also put a screw in. It goes in this way, and the rest come through this way. So we're gonna put this last rail on, okay? And we put this bevel on the feet just to dress it up a tiny bit. So we're gonna biscuit this piece in. All right, we got the desk all fabricated. And the next thing, probably take a day to get it all sanded. And we'll have to let Caleb pick the stain or varnish or whatever he wants to put on it. So, what do you think?
Looks good.
Yeah, you did a good job.